Karibu sana tungsten, welcome back. So today we are going to be learning about this solar LED pendant light. Let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. So flaps everywhere, the manual, cables, multiple cables, so it's a universal USB cable, the cable to the solar panel, the beautiful, small, tiny, waterproof solar panel. Just give me a minute. Here's the solar panel. Comes with a very long cord so that you can mount it or mount it anywhere. And then here's the pendant light. It's actually a pendant because it comes with the hooks and all, and it's just one. Okay, so we also have this remote control here. It has a torch, two parts with torches. Let's see. So this one needs batteries, A1 batteries. You insert them in here, but since I don't really have any batteries, we might skip that part. Anyway, this is how it looks. A very beautiful remote control with a torch. I mean, who doesn't need a torch? So here's the pendant light. On the pendant light, we have these two ports, as you can see. A USB output port, so you can charge your phones from this pendant light. Also, we have an inlet for power in Android micro charging port. So we also have this other one where you insert the pin from the solar panel. This part here, you insert the pin from the solar panel, so this pin goes in here. And then we have this button. This is the on and off button. So on, and then it has levels, so it's the first level is brighter than all of them, and then it keeps dimming if you keep pressing, and then it goes off on the third press. So that's all about our pendant light. You can charge your phones from here. It comes with a USB cable with multiple pins, so whatever kind of phone you have, whether it's a kabambe or a smartphone or Type-C phone, you can charge all of them using this pendant light. So bye, see you some other time.